Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by ILIKEHAIR company, and as you all can see I had to go and sit for hours to achieve this look. I'm joking, relax, I'm joking. This is a wig, okay? ILIKEHAIR company said, baby girl, don't worry, we've got you covered. You're going to look like a beautiful woman, okay, in just 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, 30 seconds, okay? This is a wig and it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks natural. The texture, bona, I look so good. I feel so good. The baby hair, this is a 360 wig. I cannot wait for you to actually see the construction of this wig. So you know what, without any further ado guys, let's get straight into today's video. But before that, please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase these goddess locks. Okay, they look so good. They twisted this wig so good. I'm impressed.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer.
So I want to show you what to expect when you purchase hair from ILIKEHAIR company. This is their box. It is written ILIKEHAIR, and when you open the box, it is written thank you. So let me show you guys all the goodies that they sent me. They were kind enough to send me this wig grip, so your wig is not gonna go anywhere if you wear this. They were also kind enough to send me this branded ILIKEHAIR wig band. It is nice and stretchy. It also has a velcro, and of course this wig cap. Locks. This is my favorite part of the video, and I'm so excited guys. These locks are a 10 out of 10. Let me show you how they look. Look at this. They look absolutely gorgeous. Look at the texture. Look at that. This is stunning, and the fact that this wig is 360, I am impressed. Look at that. The lace is nice and soft. It is nice and transparent. You can actually see, you know, through the lace. They did such a great job of braiding this wig. It is a 10 out of 10. Look at the partings. They are nicely done. Okay, so guys, this is a wig and a half. Okay, I'm so excited. My sister has locks, and I've always wanted to do locks, but you know what, I don't have time to sit down for hours and hours. Okay, ILIKEHAIR company said, baby girl, we've got you covered. Look at the front of the wig. It has these natural baby hairs, which I appreciate a lot. Okay, this is how the wig looks inside. It has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back, and this is a 360 wig, okay, with invisible drawstrings. Look at that. So you can, I'm actually going to wear this wig without glue because of these drawstrings. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull them like this, and the wig is going to be nice and snug. Okay, this is how it looks when you pull them. It is still nice and stretchy as well. I'm really excited. Okay, I cannot wait. Oh, it also has these adjustable belts as well, so this wig is gonna fit you whether you've got a size large, small or medium. It's going to fit you very well. Okay, I'm going to put this wig on. Okay, I'm so happy. I am really happy. So okay, what I'm gonna do is just cut this excess lace right here, because I feel like here in front it looks absolutely perfect. There's no need for me to do the cutting. So right now I'm going to just cut the excess lace right here at the back, just a little bit. I'm going to look like a 10 out of 10. Okay, now this is how the wig is looking. It is a 360 wig with, of course, invisible drawstrings. I'm gonna use these invisible drawstrings to, you know, tighten the wig, make it look like it's my own hair. And yeah, let's see how it looks. Wow. What? You see, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I look so good. See, I had to wear the wig grip so that I don't have to really put on glue. Wow, I like hair. Oh my goodness. Yo. This wig looks so good. Guys, I haven't, done anything to this wig. I'm still going to adjust the drawstrings, but it is nice and snug because of the wig grip, okay? And because of the material. Yo, they look so real. They look so soft. The texture is 10 out of 10. Let me just... Okay, so I'm going to... Yes, now that I use the drawstrings, it is nice and snug. See, it fits like a glove. It is not going anywhere. And of course, I did not glue it down, but it is not moving. Okay, this wig is not going anywhere. I am really, really, really impressed. Okay, I am... Look at the baby hairs. Guys, I'm really, really, really happy with this wig. This is time saving. Wow. I can't stop touching it because the texture... Okare, it is my own hair. Like, I don't want to lie to you guys. It feels so good. Yeah, honestly guys, I think y'all can see how beautiful these locks are. You can actually pat them anywhere, okay? You can pat them on the side, you can pat them on the other side, you can do a middle part as well, of course, and then you can also pat them, on the other side. You can literally do anything because this wig is a 360 full lace wig, okay? So you can... They look so good. They look really, 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 really good.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
And there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from ILIKEHAIR company. Until next time you guys, bye.